Lawrence Airport information Delta 2347 Zulu, wind 270 at 16, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 20, dew point 13, altimeter 299er4, ILS runway 29er right approaching use, landing and departing runways 29er. Notice to airmen, runway 29 left as is out of service, 5G NOTAMs are in effect for the visit.
And the Cherokee 7, Kilo Romeo, go around. You can start an early right cross and turn.
Wow, it's so loud.
Go around, start an early cross, right cross, one turn, Cherokee 7, Kilo Romeo.
Lawrence ground, runway 29er right, taxi via Echo Alpha Juliet.
Okay, we're going to do the Fullerton VR Alpha. Charts are valid. We're going to be using the Seal Beach VORTAC. We want to have this in VLOC 1. We'll tune and identify when we can. Our ATIS is 12505. Alright, that can go active. Fullerton 119.1. Fullerton ground 121.8. Okay, we're going to fly to Seal Beach. We're going to do the hold. Then when we've gotten our ATIS, tune identified the VOR and verified that we have the bearing set and tuned in Fullerton Tower, we will request the full approach, full procedure of VOR Alpha into Fullerton, and let them know we have the ATIS. We will be told to report inbound, maintain 2,600. 1 mile from Seal Beach will be flaps 50, mixture rich, fuel boost on, 100 knots, unless told otherwise. At Seal Beach, we will, or right before Seal Beach, we will go ahead and set our altitude bug to 1,500. And as soon as we pass Seal Beach, we'll hit vertical speed altitude and 700 feet per minute vertical speed descent. We'll watch our power and maintain 100 knots. As we approach B-Walt, we will begin to tune this to 1,150. Then at B-Walt, vertical speed, altitude, and begin our descent to 1,150. Once we're below 1,200, we will take up the hood, identify the airport, and throw away the automation. Is that smoke down there?
Oh yeah, look at that.
It looks like smoke, doesn't it?
Unless it's something is cutting the grass.
Or something. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We will do as tower advises for our landing. Typically, circle south of the airport, left downwind, runway 24. And make sure that we contact tower when directed. Okay, let's get some flight following. Towards ground, see it. Oh. Towards ground, Cirrus 966 Tango Tango, requesting VFR flight following to Fullerton VOR Alpha.
Cirrus 6 Tango Tango, squawk 0206, departure frequency 127.2.
Squawk 0206, 127.2, 6 Tango Tango.
Cirrus 6 Tango Tango, read back correct.
Holding short at 29 right, and we would like to do a right 270 departure. 165 Tango Whiskey Torrance, right 270 departure is approved. Runway 29 right, clear for takeoff.
29 right, clear for takeoff. 165 Tango Whiskey.
So it's between a right 270 and our box.
Runway 29 left, clear touch and go.
It's a 270-degree turn,
Right.
and you head southbound.
So
you overfly the
So a
field.
box is heading.
A box is just climbing over the field like a pattern shape.
Right.
270 is instead, right downwind is a 180-degree turn.
Right.
270 is you continue that turn and you overfly the field and you head southbound.
I think I've done that once before, but yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So, flow emergency briefing. If before rotation we have an issue, stop the airplane. After rotation, runway left, land on the runway. After rotation, no runway left, land straight out within 30 degrees. After rotation, and under 710 feet MSL, don't pull caps, look for a place to land. Between 710 feet and 2110 feet MSL, pull caps immediately. Above 2110 feet MSL, consider caps, troubleshoot. If you drift below 2110 feet MSL, pull caps immediately. Okay, our flow is good. Here, no recirc.
And Foxtrot Mike, runway 29 right, clear for the option.
Turn set for takeoff.
The option. It's clock flight.
Is that Ray?
6 Lima Papa. 9er Lima, 3 9er Lima Papa. I don't know. That was 6 Lima Papa.
Ray will be your pilot when you fly to Texas next.
Right. Okay.
Solida.
Torrance Tower, Sirius 966 Tango Tango, holding short runway 29 right, pressing a right downwind departure.
Sirius 966 Tango Torrance Tower, right downwind departure is approved. Runway 29 right, clear for takeoff.
29 right downwind departure, 6 Tango Tango.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. It's definitely smoke, but
Wait, check.
from what?
Yeah.
Wind
huh?
28014.
We'll check it out.
Thank you.
Speed is live. Gauge is green. Rotation. It's 90. Flaps up.
Yeah, it is smoke.
Holding short 29 right.
Sounds like a
right,
vehicle.
Departure to Long Beach.
7439.
Traffic.
Roger.
Here, go a little to the right, see what it is. Should be out your left window.
Can't see it.
Can't see it.
Okay. Going cross.
All right, cross. Let's cross to the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, show me 100 knots.
Traffic.
5 Tango Whiskey, freeze change is approved.
Frequency change approved. 5 Tango Whiskey. Thank you.
Sure, 6 Tango Tango, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, 6 Tango Tango.
Oh, there's a car drifting.
Oh, really? Crazy.
They're just drifting nonstop in that parking lot.
Delta Golf, SoCal departure, IDEN, what's your requested altitude?
IDEN, we would like 3,783 Delta Golf.
3 Delta Golf, radar contact 1 mile west of Long Beach, and did you say 3,000 or 3,500?
3,783 Delta Golf.
3 Delta Golf, roger, just be advised when you get closer to John Wayne, they'll probably put you at 3,500 since the departures come off to 3,000, but for now, altitude your discretion and resume on navigation.
After that, on discretion, resume on navigation. 783 Delta Golf, thank you.
Departure, Sirius 966 Tango Tango, 2,000 for 3,500.
Sirius 966 Tango Tango, SoCal departure, ident, and advise when you get Echo over Fullerton.
I will advise Echo for Fullerton, and we'd like to get the a lap in the hold and the Vior Alpha under Fullerton.
6 Tango Tango, roger. Radar contact 1 mile northeast of Torrance Airport. Resume own navigation for Seal Beach.
Own nav for Seal Beach, 6 Tango Tango.
Cat 401, turn left heading 080.
Left turn 080, 401.
Let's do autopilot.
There's 6 Tango Tango traffic, 11 o'clock, 2 miles southbound, Skyhawk 2000 climbing.
Looking for traffic, 6 Tango Tango.
BOF approaching use, arriving departing with 24. Advise on initial contact.
Cat 401, turn left heading 060.
060 for 401.
Confirmation Echo 2347 Zulu, wind 2007, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 2.13, altimeter 29902. BOF approaching use, arriving departing with
6 Tango
24.
Tango, traffic no factor.
Roger, 6 Tango Tango.
Cessna 35 Victor, traffic north view 2 miles over the shoreline now, southbound, type of known altitude indicates 4,000.
I'm looking for that traffic devices. SoCal, Cessna 249er Foxtrot Sierra with request.
Cessna 249er Foxtrot Sierra, SoCal first, go ahead.
249er Foxtrot Sierra request, Long Beach 26 right, information Victor is current.
November 249er Foxtrot Sierra, squawk 0226. And 9 Foxtrot Sierra, disregard about that, sorry, I already have you. Proceed inbound via the Queen Mary and altitude your discretion.
Proceeding inbound over the Queen Mary, altitude our discretion 249er Foxtrot Sierra. Negative traffic devices.
And the RC5 Victor, traffic no factor, they're passing behind you now.
Copy, Chief.
Cat 401, contact approach 121.3.
121.3 for 401.
Approach Cirrus November 446 Charlie Papa 7,500 descending 5,500.
Sierra 446 Charlie Papa SoCal approach to advise when you get Foxtrot for John Wayne, navigate to Huntington Pier at or above 4,000.
How long prior to the hold do we slow to hold speed?
3 miles.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. God, I was
November 9er
mix those up.
Sierra traffic 11 o'clock 2 miles southeastbound the Skyhawk 3000.
249er Foxtrot Sierra.
I kept looking for 3 miles.
There are 3 Delta Adult traffic 11 o'clock 2 miles northwestbound the Skyhawk 3500.
249er Foxtrot Sierra on traffic.
Approach 125.35, 2535.
You could go 40% on the power.
And pardon me for leaving it in.
9er 6
I was looking
Tango
for
Tango, contact approach 125.35.
12535, 6 Tango Tango. Approach Sierra Standard 66 Tango Tango 3,500.
966 Tango Tango, SoCal approach, roger.
He's a good man, this dude. Good controller.
Number 6 Charlie Bravo.
It's kind of bad when you know them all by their voice.
Tower connect. Charlie Bravo.
So coming in from here, yeah, it looks like a teardrop.
Good. Which makes sense.
Yep, because we were over here, we were further over here.
Correct.
Last time.
Absolutely correct. Good work.
Okay, good speed.
Solida, Nina, ¿por qué? Okay.
SoCal, Cessna 783 Delta Golf is
Got
at 3,100.
One guy up and to the left, 11 o'clock.
SoCal approach, altimeter
You know who I think has the best burritos on the
Altimeter
planet?
2994.
You'll think I'm crazy.
783 Delta Golf.
Not Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Oh,
It's
I
so
knew you were
good.
going to say Chipotle.
It's so good. Oh, it's so good. But man, they're so good. They're so tasty. Good.
Approach Cirrus, November 446 Charlie Papa, 5,500, descending 4,000.
6 Charlie Papa, SoCal approach, roger.
6 Charlie Papa has information Foxtrot for John Wayne.
6 Charlie Pop, roger.
Pop.
Pop. Let's do a full loop.
Southwest 8503, 4,000 in the left turn, heading 090 Victor.
Southwest 8503 SoCal approach, roger. Number 56 Golf, descend and maintain 2,000.
Set maintain 2,000, 2656 Golf.
Man, this plane doesn't drink any fuel. It's insane.
10 miles per gallon at 120 knots.
We're doing 140 over the ground and it's 9.4 gallons an hour. This is nothing. Wow, talk about efficient.
She's a clean machine.
Yeah, it's insane. Absolutely phenomenal. I bet you could go up to 10,000 feet and this thing will drink not much.
Oh, yeah.
Number 56 Golf, cleared ILS, runway 30 approach.
Clear for the ILS, runway 30 approach from Long Beach 56 Golf.
And let's go. Let's do actually 35% power.
We would like to amend our destination to John Wayne, KSNA.
I don't want him telling you held too fast.
3 Delta Golf, roger. Proceed over the Huntington Beach Pier.
Proceeding over the Huntington Beach Pier, 783 Delta Golf.
And 3 Delta Golf, traffic up to your 9 o'clock, about 1.5 miles along the shoreline, 4,000 descending in Cirrus, also inbound to the pier.
Roger that, we are looking for that traffic, 783 Delta Golf.
.35 is a good power setting.
Approach Cirrus, November 446 Charlie Papa, can I get lower?
Yeah, altitude's at your discretion.
My discretion, 6 Charlie Papa, thanks.
6 Charlie Papa, contact John Wayne Tower, 126.8.
1268, 6 Charlie Papa.
SoCal 783 Delta Golf, we have traffic in sight.
3 Delta Golf, roger. And contact John Wayne Tower, 126.8. Yeah.
Contacting John Wayne Tower on 126.8. Thank you. 783 Delta Golf.
Number 56 Golf, contact Long Beach Tower, 119.4. See ya.
Over to Long Beach Tower, have a good afternoon.
You know what? For the sake of time, let's just do that. Let's get on with them and request the full.
Southwest 8503, turn left heading 050.
That's 050.
But on your ride, you'll remember.
Approach Cirrus 966 Tango Tango, requesting VOR Alpha Fullerton, full approach.
6 Tango Tango, roger. Descend to 3,000 and report inbound.
3,000, report inbound, 6 Tango Tango.
SoCal Cherokee 90260 Tango, VFR request.
9260 Tango, SoCal approach.
Cherokee 9260 Tango, it's a Papa Alpha 28, Lim Uniform. We're over Long Beach, climbing out of 2,300 for 2,500 for Fullerton, VOR Alpha, practice approach, full procedure.
60 Tango, squawk 0277.
0277, 60 Tango.
Southwest 8503, descend, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000.
You see a magic trick? Look, I do this and the plane turns. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. I'm not touching anything.
That is
I'm not touching anything. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that unbelievable?
I can't believe it.
It's incredible. Now, once you think you saw it all, I go opposite direction on you. Check it out.
No way. You're not going to know. No
Check
way.
it out.
There's no way.
What? Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this unbelievable?
Just using your mind.
Just my mind. Look at that. And then I tell it to stop right there. Look at that.
Left turn 020, Southwest 8503.
Number 60 Tango, radar contact over
you do that to a kid.
Mary, turn left at 030.
Blow his mind.
Traffic south of you, maneuvering south side at 3000.
Oh boy.
3060 Tango.
Unbelievable, folks. Folks. Folkas.
5 Tango Romeo, SoCal bridge.
5 Tango Romeo, starting level at 2000.
5 Tango Romeo, comment maintain 4000.
5 Tango Romeo, comment maintain 4000.
And your radar contact.
Visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 190.13, altimeter 29903. ILS runway 29
Echo.
right approach.
Good. So now you can get on with him and say we have echo before you forget that it's echo.
Approach Cirrus 966 Tango Tango. We have echo for Torrance.
966 Tango Tango, roger.
So with ATIS, it's like a podcast. We listen to it. You don't drive your car and write down the
783 Delta
podcast.
Golf, contact approach 127.2.
Right? And if you do need to jog anything down, you write it in the airplane itself at the altimeter setting, whatever it might be.
Tango Tango, contact approach 127.2.
127.2, 6 Tango Tango.
At 3000 inbound for Long Beach.
Number 3 Delta Golf, SoCal approach, roger. Remain right of the Queen Mary for traffic. What's your requested runway?
$100 if you say good evening, sir.
No.
Air 3 Delta Golf, roger. Traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles south
You can do that.
2600 indicated.
Good evening, sir.
Roger that, we are looking for that traffic. 783 Delta Golf.
Approach Cirrus 966 Tango Tango 2500.
26 Tango Tango, SoCal approach, roger.
That's 27.
And not correcting after she says, sir, I'm a ma'am.
That was 2721, SoCal departure radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
I have 7000, that's 2721.
Air 3 Delta Golf, traffic snow factor, Long Beach, altimeter 29903, wind 140 at 7, contact Long Beach Tower 119.4.
Thank you for contacting Long Beach Tower on 119.4. Have a good day. 783 Delta Golf.
Sierra 6 Tango Tango, start at VFR descend to 2000, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, 2500 indicated.
VFR 2000 looking for traffic, 6 Tango Tango.
Traffic inside.
Traffic in sight, 6 Tango Tango.
Roger. Number 3 Alpha Tango, contact approach 128.1.
Contact approach on 128.1, 7243 Alpha Tango.
Southwest 2721, contact approach 134.35, 3435.
435 a day, so that's 2621.
Okay.
Traffic.
Doing great, Walter.
Sierra 6 Tango Tango, 5 miles from Zoba, turn right heading 270, maintain VFR, practice approach approved, no separation services provided.
270, practice approach approved, 6 Tango Tango.
Watch your altitude.
SoCal Bonanza 5055,
Good.
Bravo 1700 for 3500.
Bonanza 5055 Bravo, SoCal departure, ident, and just to verify, you said you want 3,500?
Ident, and that's correct, 3.5 for 55 Bravo.
Air 55 Bravo, radar contact 2 miles north of the Queen Mary, resume navigation, VFR climb approved.
Climb approved, on nav, 55 Bravo.
When she hands you off, say thank you, sir.
You're having way too much fun, man.
Oh my god. Have a good night, sir. Oh boy.
2.8 to Zilba.
Here, 6 Tango Tango, contact Torrance Tower 133.07.
Torrance Tower 13307, 6 Tango Tango.
Good, you're taking your time, good.
19 to Zilba. Torrance Tower, Cirrus 966 Tango Tango, RNAV 29 right. Full stop.
There's 966 Tango Tango, Torrance Tower. Your number 2 following is staying on a 2.5 mile final. Runway 29 on right, clear to land, wind 280 at 11.
Number 2, 29 right, clear to land, 6 Tango Tango.
Good. Good work.
8503, traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering 3000.
We're looking for stuff to 503.
An approach, 908 Romeo would like to cancel IFR and just do a VOR Alpha practice approach.
Okay, 908 Romeo, IFR cancellation received, descended. Actually stay at 4000 still, and expect vectors to final.
Stay at 4000, and can we get the full procedure turn, 98 Romeo?
Okay, 908 Romeo, 4000, direct Seal Beach.
4000, direct Seal Beach, 908 Romeo.
5 Tango Romeo, heading 270.
5 Tango Romeo, heading 270.
Southwest 8503, you're 5 miles from Gunny, turn left heading 330, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer.
Cleared ILS 30, approach.
330, 2000 till established, cleared ILS, runway 30, Southwest 8503.
Number 6 Tango Tango, cross Seal Beach at 3000 for traffic and practice approach approved.
Seal Beach at 3000 for traffic, practice approach approved, 6 Tango Tango. So you have to scream down once we get...
So that was only for 6 Tango Tango.
Not necessarily. If you slow it and go to 700 feet of me, it'd be good.
5.3 descending via.
Air Shuttle 5847, South California.
Remember what we said when we first started flying? As long as you do what you need to do on time, you should have plenty of breathing room. It's when you're late to the game that you need to do different things.
6 Tango Tango, traffic off to your 3 o'clock, 2 miles on final 2008 Boeing 737.
Looking for traffic, 6 Tango Tango.
9260 Tango, you can proceed to Seal Beach and
Traffic
report
inside,
inbound.
6 Tango.
Proceed to Seal Beach and report inbound, 60 Tango.
98 Romeo, descend to 3500.
Send to 3500, 908 Romeo.
Traffic inside, 6 Tango Tango.
SoCal checking 90260 Tango. For this practice VOR approach and approach, can we do the procedure turn?
5 Tango Romeo, contact approach 127.2.
5 Tango Romeo, 127.2.
I believe it was 98 Romeo asking. Yes, procedure turn is approved at 3500 for now.
Okay, 3500, we'll be doing the procedure turn, 908 Romeo.
6 Tango Tango, descent approved at your discretion, contact Fullerton Tower 119.1.
Descent by discretion, contact Fullerton Tower 119.1, 6 Tango Tango.
Shuttle 58 Hotel Fullerton traffic, or tower, traffic over the water treatment plant for SEPTA. Report the airport in sight, and plan to follow the system over the water treatment plant 3 south, you same altitude.
Follow, the airport site,
Portland Tower, Cirrus 966 Tango Tango, VOR Alpha, full stop.
966 Tango Tango, Fullerton Tower, report the airport in sight.
Inside.
Airport in sight, 6 Tango Tango.
6 Tango Tango, circle south to left down, runway 24.
South, left downwind, runway 24, 6 Tango Tango.
44 Foxtrot has the airport in sight.
Okay, there's Seal Beach. And let's go down.
This 445, I think, wind 1907, runway 24, clear to land.
24 clear to land.
Let's boost this down.
23 Sierra number 2, follow that sus to 12 o'clock, 2.5 miles ahead.
Number 2, 395 BTR.
Why did we do the flaps and not the mixture?
Because.
Good. Maybe there's a reason.
Not today.
Cool.
Five three Sierra, if you don't have the traffic ahead, do you have the airport in sight?
Airport inside, still looking for traffic, 53 Sierra.
53 Sierra, they're 2.5 miles ahead, runway 24, clear touch and go, then right, downwind, approved.
24, touch go, right down, approved, 53 Sierra.
We got the 4 Bravo Hotel, your traffic's 12 o'clock, 2 miles on a 5-mile final, semi altitude Cessna.
Just picked up the Cessna and I got the airport inside as well, helicopter 4 Bravo Hotel.
4 Bravo Hotel, thank you, and what did you want to land at?
East pads, probably side step over to the heli stream, 4 Bravo Hotel.
I got 4 Bravo Hotel, wind 1808, runway 24, clear to land over the number, over the runway at Charlie, left turn approved.
Clear land 24, over the runway, left turn Charlie, helicopter 4 Bravo Hotel.
17 for 15.
Your 6 Tango, circle south and left down, runway 24, number 4, follow a helicopter on a 6-mile final.
Number 4, runway 24, 6 Tango Tango. 1580. 0.74. $1,500.
Blue 72 November, runway 24, taxi to
Okay, the altitude.
72 November, read back to runway 7.
Chudlow, 1300 for 1200. $12.80. $1,200. Under 1200. Head up. Airport in sight. And let's go downwind.
Foxtrot and taxi back to the runway.
44 Foxtrot, turn right, only 24, taxi via Bravo.
Turn right, 24 via Bravo, full Foxtrot. Booney 1072 November, ready for departure on 24. Like to know if Losal is...
Okay, there's the numbers. I'm going to get my descent. Oh, I'm number 4 though.
November, Fullerton Tower, hold short,
there's still one guy.
Booney 1072 November, holding short at 24.
Then I would get my descent.
There's 6 Tango Tango helicopters, 2 out.
Looking for the helicopter, 6 Tango Tango. Can you call my base?
6 Tango Tango, if you don't see the helicopter yet.
Do you see him?
I don't.
Negative traffic, 6 Tango Tango.
6 Tango Tango, 2 o'clock, or excuse me, 10 o'clock, 2 miles on a 2-mile final. Let me know when you have them in sight, high off your left.
Traffic in sight, 6 Tango Tango.
6 Tango Tango, thank you, runway 24 clear to land.
Runway 24 clear to land, number 2, 6 Tango Tango.
6 Tango Tango, technically number 3, but follow the helicopter, please.
Roger, number 3, following the helicopter, 6 Tango Tango. Okay.
So why are we descending?
Because I don't really have an answer for that.
Okay, cool.
So I was getting ready to, while I was in the pattern, but I guess the answer that should be is that
I maintain my altitude until I am close enough to the airport to begin descending.
Right.
Good.
And since I'm probably number 2 now. I see the helicopter.
Yep.
And since I'm kind of far out, I waited for my flaps.
The helicopter traffic's on a mile left final. Left crosswind approved. Wind 17 at 6. Runway 24 for takeoff.
Windy 1072 November, cleared for takeoff on 24. Left crosswind departure.
Can't technically see the helicopter. He's probably down.
Yeah, we're good.
This 530 never did receive your 80.
Bravo, 4 straight out departure towards 91605.
530 right down is approved.
I see someone taking off.
Yeah.
Who said something about straight out?
934 for Foxtrot holding short.
500.
Departure towards 91605.
44 Fox Roger, landing traffic. November, turn left. Contact Lafayette Tower 123.85. Good day.
123.85, 72 November. Good day.
Let's get a center line this time.
Nice.
That's a little better.
Nice. Nice. Talk about skill. Talk about skill and talk about skill. He knows what you want to do, but he'll say, same intentions.
Right. Bullet Tower, Cirrus 966 Tango Tango, taxi back for takeoff.
This 44 Fox are straight out approved, and 170 at 6. Altimeter 2993, and 24 for takeoff.
24 clear for takeoff, 4 for Foxtrot.
06 Tango Tango, runway 24, taxi B Bravo.
24 taxi B Bravo, 6 Tango Tango.
Good. That was better, that approach. That was good stuff right there. That was good stuff. Other than the whole descending of the thing, keep that in mind. Just in general, don't do that. That when they vector you away from the airport, hold your altitude. I'm not telling you to climb, just don't descend. Because we don't want to descend into houses. Cool.
And I guess when he said number 4 and we were way out there, I kind of...
Yeah.
And I didn't see
them
that I...
Yeah, it's just a situational awareness thing. A general flight. It has nothing to do with IFR.
That's the police helicopter that was cruising around.
Was it that? I thought it was a blue one.
No.
That one?
Yeah.
Look at that. I must be colorblind.
Frequency change approved today.
Well, there may be more than one helicopter, too.
That's true. That is true. That looks like the exact same Cirrus like yours, this white one. Same thing.
8 miles west.
Same. Everything.
Same everything.
Runway 241 up taxi B Alpha.
Year to year, within every decade, so they don't change much.
Yeah.
The 44 Fox, don't forget.
Great airplanes, the Cirrus says. Great airplanes.
Don't screw with perfection, man.
Yeah. No one would ever guess this plane is almost 20 years old.
Tower chart
Ever.
261 Whiskey 2100, 6 miles.
It's crazy.
West.
It's a phenomenal airplane.
Corona.
Runway 434 on your Bravo, full to runway 24 taxi B Bravo.